Do you want to change your life in just 30 minutes a day? Then start running, because this one simple activity can transform your body, sharpen your mind, boost your energy, and even add years to your life. Running is one of the oldest, most natural forms of movement, and the benefits it offers are incredible. Whether you're young or old, beginner or expert, running can help you live a healthier, happier life without needing a gym or expensive equipment. Just a good pair of shoes, a little time, and the willingness to take the first step. But what really happens when you make running a part of your daily routine? Let's explore everything you need to know. First, running improves your heart health. When you run, your heart pumps faster, strengthening the muscles that help it work efficiently. Over time, this reduces your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Running increases the size and strength of your heart, allowing it to pump more blood with each beat. It also helps to clear your arteries, reduce LDL or bad cholesterol, and raise HDL or good cholesterol levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Running also boosts your lungs. It trains your body to use oxygen more efficiently, and as you run regularly, you'll notice that your breathing becomes smoother, deeper, and more controlled. You'll be able to climb stairs, carry groceries, or chase your kids around without feeling out of breath. And let's not forget the brain. Yes, running actually makes you smarter. It increases blood flow to the brain, supports memory, improves concentration, and even grows new brain cells. Scientists have found that people who run regularly tend to have sharper minds, better moods, and lower risks of mental decline with age. You'll feel more focused, creative, and emotionally stable. Speaking of emotions, running is one of the best natural ways to fight stress, anxiety, and depression. It releases endorphins, your body's feel-good chemicals, and helps regulate your sleep, reduce negative thoughts, and improve your self-esteem. That's why many people say they feel more relaxed and happy after a good run. And if you're trying to lose weight, running is your best friend. It burns more calories per minute than most other forms of exercise. Just 30 minutes of running can burn anywhere from 300 to 500 calories, depending on your pace and body weight. Combine that with a balanced diet, and you'll see the fat melt away, especially around your belly, hips, and thighs. Plus, running boosts your metabolism, so you'll keep burning calories even after you're done. But it's not just about weight loss. Running also builds lean muscle. Your legs, glutes, and core get stronger with every stride. Over time, this improves your posture, balance, and physical performance. You'll walk taller, move faster, and feel more powerful. And let's not ignore the bones. Running is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it helps to build and maintain bone density. This is especially important as we age, since bone loss increases the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. When you run, your body responds by making your bones stronger and denser. Your joints also benefit from running, as long as you run with proper form and don't overdo it. Contrary to popular belief, moderate running can actually protect your knees by strengthening the muscles around them. Now let's talk about your immune system. Running helps your body fight off sickness. It increases the production of white blood cells and improves circulation, helping your immune system detect and destroy viruses and bacteria more effectively. People who run regularly tend to get sick less often and recover faster when they do. And what about energy? Many people think running will make them tired, but the opposite is true. Running gives you more energy by improving your oxygen delivery, boosting your stamina, and helping your cells produce more ATP, the fuel your body runs on. You'll find that daily tasks feel easier, and your overall energy levels stay high throughout the day. And yes, running can even improve your skin. When you run, blood flow to the skin increases, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells while carrying away waste products. This can give you a healthy glow and may even help reduce acne and signs of aging. But there's more. Running also helps improve your digestive system. It stimulates the muscles in your gut, helping food move through your system more smoothly and reducing issues like constipation and bloating. A regular running habit can lead to better gut health and a more comfortable stomach. On top of that, running can boost your sex life by improving blood flow, increasing energy, and enhancing body image and confidence. For men, running supports healthy testosterone levels and reduces the risk of erectile dysfunction. For women, it can help balance hormones and improve overall reproductive health. Running also makes you more disciplined. Waking up early, putting on your shoes, and hitting the road trains your brain to stick to a habit. That same discipline spills over into other areas of life, work, relationships, and personal growth. You become more resilient, more consistent, and more motivated to reach your goals. Plus, running outdoors connects you with nature. The fresh air, sunshine, and peaceful environment help reduce stress and improve your mood. Running in the park, by the beach, or in the mountains brings a sense of freedom and joy that's hard to match. You also become part of a global community. Millions of people run, from beginners to marathoners, and whether you run alone or with others, you share a connection that's positive, inspiring, and powerful. And don't forget the confidence boost. Every time you finish a run, no matter how short or slow, you prove to yourself that you can overcome challenges. That builds self-belief, one step at a time. Over weeks and months, this confidence will change how you see yourself and how you face the world. You'll feel like a winner because you are. Running is also time efficient. In just 20-30 minutes, you can get a full body. I work out. You don't need a gym or equipment. You don't need a coach. All you need is to step out the door. And if you can't run outside, you can run on a treadmill at home. It's flexible, simple, and accessible to almost everyone. Now, you may be wondering, what if I've never run before? That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Begin with walking and slowly add running intervals. Use the run-walk method. Maybe run for 30 seconds, then walk for a minute. Build up week by week. Your body will adapt, your stamina will grow, and soon you'll be running farther and faster than you ever imagined. Always remember to warm up before running and cool down afterward. Stretch your muscles to prevent injuries and help your body recover. Stay hydrated, wear proper shoes, and listen to your body. And if you ever feel pain, not soreness, but real pain, stop and rest. Your health always comes first. And don't compare yourself to others. You're not running their race, you're running your own. Celebrate your progress. Every step counts. Every mile matters. Running teaches you patience, persistence, and the power of showing up. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. And the rewards, they're life-changing. So if you're looking for one habit that can change your body, improve your mind, and lift your spirit, start running today. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time is now. Lace up your shoes, step outside, and take that first step. Because once you start running, you're not just moving your feet, you're moving toward a better version of yourself. A stronger, faster, happier, healthier you. So run for your heart, run for your mind, run for your dreams, run for your life. And keep going, one step, one breath, one day at a time. You are capable, you are powerful, and your journey starts now. And now that you've taken your first steps into running, let's talk about how to stay consistent and make running a lifelong habit, not just a short-term goal. Consistency is the key to unlocking all the powerful benefits we've discussed so far, and the secret to staying consistent is to keep it enjoyable and manageable. Don't pressure yourself to run fast or long distances right away. In the beginning, your focus should be on showing up. Even a 10-minute jog is a victory. Celebrate that. Every time you run, your body becomes stronger and your brain becomes more familiar with the routine. Try setting a schedule that fits into your life, maybe 3 times a week or every morning before breakfast. Create a time that becomes your running time and treat it like an appointment with yourself. If mornings work better, run in the morning. If evenings are more peaceful for you, run then. The best time to run is the time you can stick to, and don't worry if some days are slower or shorter. Every run counts. Every run moves you forward. Some days you'll feel amazing, and some days your legs may feel heavy. That's part of the process. What matters is that you keep going. Now let's talk about form. Running with proper form can prevent injuries and help you run more efficiently. Keep your back straight, your chest open, and your shoulders relaxed. Look ahead, not down at your feet. Your arms should swing naturally with a 90-degree bend, not crossing in front of your body. Land softly on your feet, not too hard on the heels, and not too much on the toes. Think of your feet as rolling from heel to toe gently, and remember to breathe. Deep rhythmic breaths through your nose and mouth will keep oxygen flowing and help you stay relaxed. Many new runners hold their breath or breathe too shallow, which makes running feel harder. Stay loose, stay steady, and trust your rhythm. Now let's clear up some common myths about running. Myth number 1, running is bad for your knees. The truth is, running with proper form and good shoes can actually strengthen your knees. The problem is usually poor form or pushing too hard too soon. Myth number 2, you have to run fast to get results. No, slow and steady running burns fat, builds endurance, and is easier to stick with long term. Myth number 3, you need to run every day. While daily running can work for some, it's totally fine to run 3-4 times a week and still get amazing benefits. In fact, rest days are essential for your body to recover, grow stronger, and prevent burnout. Now let's talk about your diet. What you eat plays a big role in how you feel during your runs. Before a run, eat something light like a banana, toast, or oatmeal. Something with carbs for energy. Avoid heavy meals that can upset your stomach. After your run, refuel with a mix of carbs and protein to help your muscles recover. Foods like eggs, yogurt, fruits, or a smoothie are great options. Stay away from junk food, processed sugar, and oily meals. They slow you down and affect your performance. Eat whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to feel and perform your best. And don't forget about hydration. Water is your best running partner. Drink water throughout the day, not just before and after your run. Dehydration makes running harder, slows recovery, and affects your energy. On hot days or long runs, consider adding electrolytes to your water to replace lost minerals. Always listen to your body's thirst signals and sip water often. Now let's dive into motivation. Some days you'll feel lazy, some days you'll be tired, but remember why you started. Keep a journal or calendar to mark your progress. Write down how many minutes you ran, how you felt, and what you accomplished. Seeing your progress on paper is powerful. You'll realize how far you've come. You can also join online running groups or follow running pages for daily inspiration. Watching others on their journey can inspire you to stay on track. Create a running playlist with your favorite music. The right song at the right moment can give you that extra boost to keep going. Or run in silence and use the time to think, reflect, and clear your mind. Running is not just physical, it's deeply mental. It's a moving meditation, a time where you can be alone with your thoughts, solve problems, dream big, or let go of stress. Running teaches mental toughness. It shows you how to push through discomfort, how to be patient with progress, and how to keep going when things get hard. These lessons apply to life, not just fitness. Running builds character. It teaches you that you are stronger than you think. Every time you wanted to stop but kept going, that's mental strength growing. And if you ever feel stuck or bored, change things up. Try running new routes. Explore new parks, streets, or trails. Invite a friend to join you. Try interval running, where you run fast for 1 minute, then slow for 2 minutes. This keeps things exciting and boosts your cardio levels. Track your runs with free apps like Strava, Nike Run Club, or Map My Run. These apps let you see your distance, time, pace, and progress. It's fun to see your stats improve week by week. Now let's talk about races. Signing up for a 5K, 10K, or fun run is a great way to stay motivated. Having a race on your calendar gives you a goal to train for and a reason to stick to your plan. Races are exciting and full of positive energy. It doesn't matter if you run fast or slow, walk part of it, or even come last. Crossing that finish line feels amazing. It's a celebration of your hard work. You'll feel proud, confident, and inspired to keep going. And speaking of long-term success, let's talk about injury prevention. Always warm up before running. Walk for 5 minutes. Do light stretching or dynamic moves like leg swings. After your run, cool down and stretch again. Stretching helps your muscles relax, prevents tightness, and speeds recovery. Don't ignore pain. If something feels wrong, like sharp pain in your knees, hips, or feet, take a break and rest. Running through real pain can make things worse. See a doctor or physical therapist if needed. Recovery is just as important as training. Get good sleep, eat well, rest your body, and manage stress. Sleep is when your body repairs and grows stronger. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Your mind and muscles will thank you. And always remember, you don't have to run fast. You just have to run. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Progress is personal. Be proud of every step forward, no matter how small. Some people run to lose weight, some run for mental health, some run for fun, some run to escape, some run to feel alive. Whatever your reason, it's valid, and it's worth it. Because running gives back more than it takes. It makes you healthy, stronger, happier, more focused, and more in control of your life. It gives you a sense of freedom, clarity, and self-belief that few other habits offer. And it keeps improving you, day after day. Imagine yourself 1 month from now. You've been running regularly. You feel lighter. Your mind is clearer. Your body is stronger. You sleep better. You feel proud. Now imagine yourself 6 months from now. You've run your first 5K. Your energy is through the roof. You're more confident. You've lost fat, gained muscle, and built a powerful habit that supports every part of your life. Now imagine yourself 1 year from now. Running is a part of who you are. You've inspired others to start. You've mastered your mind and body. You've become the version of yourself you once dreamed of. And it all started with one run, one choice, one step forward. That's the power of running. So no matter where you are in your journey, whether you're just starting, getting back on track, or aiming for your next race, remember this: keep running, keep growing, Keep believing. The road ahead is full of possibilities, and with each stride, you're becoming the best version of you. So let your heart lead, let your feet fly, let your story unfold, one powerful, determined, unstoppable run at a time.